Hello my guys and welcome to another episode. For this episode I'm gonna do a little review on this ANYKIT pressure washer. This is the AP001 1600 watt 1.2 GPM. I'm gonna see how it works and if this little pressure washer is gonna perform. So let's get to it. There you have it here. I already put it together and I was doing some other testing. And this little pressure washer, it has power. If you are a DIYer and you want to have something to clean your house, to clean the concrete, to wash your vehicle, probably this is for you in case you don't do it all the time. Putting it together is super simple. You have some screws on the package. You put 2 screws in here, 4 more in here for the little bracket, and you can put your hose in there. Hose in there, electric pressure washer. You got the little foam sprayer and the one. So I put it together because I wanted to see if it was gonna work before I make the video. You connect the water here and you connect this to your one and to the pressure washer on the front. Water is connected. Now let's bring the cable to the extension, plug it in. Hose on the front, the other side to the one, and the extension, you put it, press, twist it, and then you can put your tips. You're gonna have 0-degree nozzles, 15, 25, and 40, and we're gonna put all of them to the test. Everything is ready on it. Let me turn the water on and then the power. Before you turn the power on, make sure that you purge the line so it doesn't have air in it and damage the motor. Once that's done, turn the power on. And the machine is ready. If you want to clean your concrete, you can grab the 0-degree nozzle. It's gonna have a lot of power, as you can see. And you want to cover more ground, use the 15. Cleans really good, it has enough power. Let's try the 25. And with the 40, I like to use the 40 to rinse a vehicle when I do a car detail. But if you can see, it has enough power to do any other job other than cleaning cars. To wash a car, I was testing this little foamer the other day, and believe it or not, but this little one can do a whole car because it's a foamer, and the foam and the shampoo that you put in it lasts a very long time. I put like 3/4 of the tank of water and about 2.5 ounces of shampoo. With this, I thought at the beginning that it was not gonna last, but it lasts the whole car. As you can see, I spray a lot and I just covered that, but I spray a lot of foam and it was good. After doing the little wash, I'm gonna use the 40-degree to rinse the vehicle. And if you want to cover more ground, you can get one of these surface cleaners and do the job with this little machine. when you finish working with your machine, make sure that you cut the power and drain it. Not with the engine on, because you're gonna burn that motor. And just drain the water and put it away. And there you have it, guys. Machine is small, but it has enough power. 1.2 GPM is enough to do any job at your house. Link is gonna be in the description for the machine. And like always, if you have any questions, please comment down below. I'm gonna be happy to help. Thanks for watching, guys. Don't forget to subscribe and see you in the next one. Peace.